All right, folks, this is attempt number 3. Okay, my goal is to show you bloom. Unfortunately, ever since version 4 in Blender, bloom button is gone. It used to be right over here under ray trace or above it somewhere. So make sure you put ray trace on, just like how we did the glass hack. Okay, that's 1. 2, come over here with this little arrow and put on always on, so you could see what's happening here. Okay, so this one has an effect. I'm going to do the same thing for it in a second. For this one, this is the ghosting effect, but you'll see what I mean. Okay, so first off, this sphere here, I'm going to just turn this off right now. I'm going to select this. What we all know, like we come in here, new. Okay, you say, let's say, call it my new glow. Okay, something like that. Instead of coming into here, leaving surface alone, I want you to just go to emission. Just do this. Simple, simple, simple. If you go to emission, type in 3, for example. Look how sweet that looks. That's pretty good, right? You notice the one on the right, it's a lot more crisp, okay? However, if you're happy with this for your project for the salt and pepper mill sci-fi scene, you can just stop right here and say, thanks, Balian, see you later. If you want to see the full effect, hopefully I can pull this off. I'm going to go to compositing, okay? And actually, I'm going to make a new scene. Just go new here. Don't save. I have this piece right here, okay? Right here. Shift A, mesh plane, S10, done. I'm going to grab the cube, G for grab, Z1. Okay, there it is. Come over here. This is what we have. So we'll do it again. Material. Okay, change it to emission. Okay, now I'm being lazy. I'm not even naming this. Give it a number, 3, done. Give it a color, done. Okay, something like that. That looks kind of cool. Okay, now if I just render this now, what do we got? Let's see. Kind of okay. Now the reason why you're not seeing anything happening is like before. If we went here, where's the camera? There. Click on ray trace and watch the how sweet is that? Okay, so that's not bad, right? I haven't even checked the camera here. I'm going to press N for numeric input. Boom, camera rotation, bring it into view. Look at that. That's not bad. For most of us in high school, not bad. Okay, render image. That has a relative emission, relative, okay? So now, if you're happy with this, say, thanks, Balian, I'm out. You want to continue, make it a little better? Here's what we do. We're going to go to compositing, all right? You're going, what's going on here? View, frame, there's nothing in here. So I'm going to change this part to compositing. Down here, compositor. Come in here. Oh, great. Okay, so I have people coming in right now. I'm going to have to say pause. It's pausing. Hey, I'm just recording. Sorry. Okay, sorry. I don't know if it paused or not. Let's continue. I don't know what's happening here. Something's happening, I think. All right, I'm going to come in here, put use nodes on. Okay, this looks pretty sweet, right? But if you come in here now, zoom in like that, or go to view and go frame all, okay? You go Shift A, and you go, where is it? Where am I going? Oh yeah, I just want to type in something, right? Glare. Glare, right here, okay? And just bring this right on the middle like that. Okay, glare does that, okay? You do have other options. So there's a lot of streaks going on here, see? Like there's streaking. I don't like it. There's even bloom, okay, which is sweet. That is what we want, the bloom. However, if you come in here and you go, where's my ghost? There's ghost. My eyes are just weak right now. So you see that strength? Less. How cool is that, right? So you can play around with saturation. You can do all that. I say just right now, just play around with this. I hope this makes sense. I had to do this 4 times because I'm trying to simplify, and I've tried to avoid using the compositor, but this is, I think, a pretty simple way. Ray tracing, it's all good here. Okay, guys? Go render again. Look how sweet that is. That's nice, right? So if you want it to come out like that, bloom out, I would use ghost for blooming. Okay? That's all I'm going to say. Balian out. Thank you. Bye-bye.